Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first open the settings, then scroll down to additional settings. Here's the up to screen recorder and you'll see here video quality section. So just to change your currently quality to another one, you should just select one from these available qualities. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just first open the control panel and find screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings and you could change the video quality of your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.